chain 6, join into a ring with slip stitch in first chain, chain 3 doesn't count as a stitch, 16 double crochet in chain 6 ring, slip stitch in first double crochet, chain 3 counts as double crochet, 2 more double crochet in the same stitch, chain 2, skip 1 double crochet, 3 double crochet in next double crochet, and repeat, chain 2, skip 1, 3 double crochet in same stitch, chain 2, and slip stitch in third chain of beginning chain 3 with another color, chain 1, single crochet in same stitch, chain 2, double crochet in next double, picot stitch, chain 3, slip stitch in previous stitch in front loop and 1 strand from the post, chain 2, single crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, single crochet in that skipped double crochet from previous round, chain 1, single crochet next double crochet from round 2, repeating, chain 2, double crochet next stitch, picot stitch, chain 3, slip stitch in previous stitch in front loop and 1 strand from post, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in skip double from round 1, chain 1, and repeat,